garnering 179,294 votes, or 19.75% of the total number of votes. Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010 big winner. James!
LCD TV from Sony, we have Bravia Marketing Officer, Ms. Ren Toledo, and for the Asia Tour for 2 all-expense paid trip from Von Dutch, we have Mr. Edward Watson.
For the 1.5 million worth of complete triple gear franchise from Solarec, with the business development manager, Ferdinand Laureta. For the 1 million pesos check from Jack and Jill, we have Nicole Pico. For the 3 million condo unit at GA Tower 1 from Globe Asiatic, we have Chief Financial Officer Mr. Dexter Lee and the President for Sales and Marketing, Miss Divine Lee.
At ito na ang pinakahihintay natin lahat, ang mensahe ni James para sa lahat ng sumuporta sa kanya.
Mahal ako na kayo lahat.
Mahal na mahal ka rin namin, James. Muli ang ating Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010 Teen Big Winner! James! Congratulations, James! Mga kapamilya, muli gumawa na naman po tayo ng kasaysayan sa ating paghirang ng ating latest Teen Big Winner na si James.
Yes, but this doesn't mean that the Teen Clash of 2010 is officially over dahil magkikita-kita pa po tayo bukas para sa isang grand reunion. Ang High Five, the Big 5 Years of Pinoy Big Brother, pagkatapos po yan ng Sharon.
Yes, magsasama di lamang lahat ng teen housemates ng Clash of 2010, kundi maging inyong mga paboritong housemates mula sa mga nakaraang edisyon. For me, Tony and Mariel's outfits tonight. Salamat mga kapamilya, tayong lahat ay tumutong pa rin sa nag-iisang teleserye ng totoong buhay ng kabataang Pinoy. With our Teen Big Winner, James, dito po ang